a hair video from you guys, and this hair is from Vanlov hair company. Okay, like, why can't we never say these company names? I don't know, give me something easy. But either way, that's where I got this hair from. So today I'm just gonna talk to you a little bit about this hair. I did just wash this hair. I did let it air dry. So it is, nothing's in it, it is in its natural state. I think it's still kind of wet, but it's been air drying for like 2 days, so like it should be dry. So yeah, it is really soft. So this is Vanlov Indian version hair. I got a 20-inch frontal and a 24 and a 26 bundles, but I did ended up cutting the frontal just into like a lace closure, if I should say. I just cut the ends off the frontal and just made it a lace because I don't know how to work frontals yet. I thought I did, but I guess I don't. So yeah, this became a lace closure. My hair, and I'm sorry that I'm going to be looking this way sometimes because that is what a mirror is and that is what a flat iron is, and that's, you know, on way I can see. So yeah, y'all, this hair is pretty nice. Like, I feel like it reminds me of like some, I don't know, like I can tell that it's virgin hair. It's just like really soft and everything, like everything is about it is soft. It's just really nice. Like, it doesn't shed. It's like the ends are, it's nice. Like, it reminds me of somebody hair, one of them girls with that good hair. It reminds me of that. It did come in a 1B like type color, and I did dye it black. Like, I always try to dye my my bundles black. I just like black hair, so I'm normally going to do that or whatever. So yeah, it didn't have any smell when it came or anything. Like, I just really like this hair. Like, this hair has not let me down. It gets pretty straight when I'm flat ironing it. Like, you can tell that this hair it's pretty good and it's gonna last a long time. So just wanted to let y'all know my new love. I am loving this hair. It's kind of so soft and so rich that I want it to get a little older. Like, it's right now, it's like too soft. Like, this is some really soft hair. I can tell that the texture is Indian. It's like, look at me flat ironing this hair really lazy. Like, it's really soft. Y'all, I think the hair is kind of still wet, but whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna flat iron. I'm just gonna flat iron this really quick. Which I'm gonna lay it down with some got to be. Yeah, I use this and the spray sometimes, but I don't know what my spray is, so I'm just gonna use this. It'll work, you know. It'll work. It will work. You feel me? I'm gonna use some edge control. Put my edges down. Put my edges down. Yeah. And that's normally what I do. Real simple. But yeah, you guys, I am really loving this hair. Like, look at it. It's just so nice and so soft and stuff. And it just looks so sleek. It don't look fake. Like, it looks really good. I'm really loving his hair. Like, I'm thinking about doing a color on it. I just don't know what color that I want to do. Or I don't know if I want to just keep it all black. But yes, this is the hair that I'm loving currently for this month. Like I said, it is from Vanlov company. All the information will be down below. Like, it's everything. Hair. So, you're looking for some really soft hair, some really nice virgin Indian hair. Here you go. I'll write your name on the living room. Put your picture in the frame. You can tell the world.